Is lily better than rose? Or is rose better than sunflower? Or is sunflower better than orchid? We don't look at flowers like that, do we? A flower does not think about competing with the flower next to it. A flower just blooms. Isn't that great? Why can't humans be like that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Yes, my voice is still a bit. Anyway, so this video is about dealing with jealousy and insecure people, and also for people who think they are jealous and insecure of somebody. Now, before we start the video, I would really like to talk about this whole thing. I don't know why we have been taught for so long that jealousy is a bad thing, or feeling insecure about something is really shitty, or you can't feel envy about anybody. I like to think it's a very human thing to feel, and I like to look at it like a spectrum. So I think on one point of that is a very sad thing where people just try to do malicious things to sabotage someone's life, or talk shitty about them all the time, or gossip about them constantly, or are constantly thinking what they can do to ruin someone's life, which I think is definitely bad, and I'm not trying to support it. Having said that, I also think that on the other point of the spectrum is a very sweet innocent envy, जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ह्यूमन इमोशन है. You might look at somebody and think, wow, I really like what she's wearing, I wish I had that, और यार मुझे उसके जैसा बनना है, I like how she talks to people so easily, which I think is a very innocent thing to feel. और मुझे लगता है कि यार ये कितना ह्यूमन है. I don't know why we have made such a big deal out of it. So in this video, I'm going to talk a bit about jealousy and insecurity for both the sides, for people who think they are jealous and for the people who think they are dealing with jealous people all the time. So the first thing that can be done to get rid of this whole energy is to avoid those people. Very simple. If you think someone is jealous of you or someone is insecure of you, और आपको तो हमेशा टेंशन ही आता है कि यार अभी मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगी तो ये मेरे जैसा बनने की कोशिश करेगी, या अभी आई विल से समथिंग so she'll just try to give ऊपर एक उस पर. Just avoid that people. Just avoid them. क्या इतनी ज़्यादा लोग दुनिया में हैं, क्यों आप लोगों को उन्हीं लोगों के साथ वक्त बिताना है? And this goes both way. If you think if you're jealous of somebody, or somebody's or you're insecure of something or someone, and who's trying to trigger your insecurity, why do you have to be around them? Find different people. Go there. वहाँ रहो. अगर आपको सिक्योरिटी फील ही नहीं हो रही है किसी इंसान के साथ, तो क्यों उस इंसान से दोस्ती भी करनी है? That would be the easiest thing to do. Just avoid this whole energy. Having said that, I also know that it's not the most practical thing to do, which brings us to the other point, which is if you can't avoid it, just accept it. एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि आपको दिक्कत है, एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि आप जेलस फील कर रहे हैं इस इंसान के लिए, एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि ये इंसान को मेरे से जेलसी है. इसमें कोई डिफिकल्ट बात नहीं है. जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट. विल टॉक अबाउट दिस एक्सेप्टेंस थिंग अ बिट लेटर. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज एडमिट इट. एडमिट कर लो उस इंसान के साथ, शायद बात कर लो, दैट माइट हेल्प. आई वुड लाइक टू गिव एन एग्जाम्पल अबाउट दिस. So I had this very dear friend in college. I am still very good friends with her. We are very, very good friends. College में तो इतना था that people were fed up with our friendship because we were together all the time. Now that I think about it, मुझे लगता है कि क्या ही कर रहे थे इतना time जब साथ में थे. But we were together all the time. And I think I was a bit envious of her. So I used to look at her and I used to think, यार I wish I could talk like her. I wish I could think like her. I want to be her. मुझे इसके जैसा बनना है. She's so cool and I was in love with her. I'm not even kidding. मुझे लगता है कि थोड़े हद तक शायद she used to feel the same about me. I'm not sure, I think. But the best part about this relationship was we could have an open conversation about it. So I could just very easily go to her and tell her कि listen, I'm very envious. How are you doing this? I need all the information on how you are doing this. And she was a great person. So when I told her I want to be you, she never encouraged it. She was like, why do you have to be me when you can be you? When you get to be you, you can be you, but then maybe a bit better. Which I thought was the kindest thing, the most kind thing she did to me. So we were having this really honest conversations back in college where we could talk to each other about the jealousy that we were feeling about each other. और इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ पता है, because we were so honest, there was never this negative energy around us. Our friendship was always very positive and always very honest and always very pious, if I say it that. So because I was so honest about my jealousy about her or my insecurity or my envious nature around her, it never felt like I was trying to compete with her. मुझे लगता है कि jealousy starts becoming irritating when the other person thinks that you are trying to compete with them. जब मुझे लगने लगता है कि यार she is jealous, मतलब she is jealous of me and then she's trying to compete me, that's when it really starts irritating me. If I just think that she's jealous of me, it's actually kind of a compliment. It's kind of a compliment. You love that feeling. The problem starts when you feel like the other person is trying to compete with you. So with this person, with this friend of mine, it never felt like a competition because we were very honest with each other. जिसकी वजह से हुआ ये that we helped each other become better people. We helped each other become better version of ourselves, which I thought was a win-win for everybody. So maybe admitting is not all that bad. मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी फीलिंग्स भी कन्फेस कर देनी चाहिए. जैसे हम लोग प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें कन्फेस करते हैं, वाई नॉट दीज फीलिंग्स? इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन इमोशन ना यार. इट इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग, इट इज़ एन इमोशन कि मुझे एनवी लग रहा है, मुझे जेलस लग रहा है. Why not just tell the other person, "Can listen, I am very jealous of you. How are you doing this? Just tell me." And I'm sure if the other person is nice and good enough and a mature enough person, the other person will help you. The other person will definitely help you become a better version of yourself. Why not give that a try? Having said that, I am also aware that you can't do it with everybody. Which brings me to the acceptance again. इसके लिए भी I would like to share an experience. So I have had this friend who I used to think is a bit jealous of me in a good way, okay? I used to think that, okay, she wants to be like me and she wants to have friends like how I have friends and be like how I am in a friend group or whatever. And I used to think that, okay, it's kind of sweet that she's maybe insecure of me or jealous of me or wants to be like me. For a very big amount of time, for around 1.5 years, I was very okay with it. Okay? I accepted it that, okay, and it's kind of cute, and I won't say help like I'm some big person, but I always encouraged her and it was a nice friendship. For the last 6 months, the same person with her same behavior really irritated the shit out of me. Now this was happening because I started looking at that differently. Now I started thinking that she is not just jealous of me, she is trying to compete with me. And then it became really irritating. Now I'm not sure this is what she did. I just think I started looking at it like that. So maybe it can totally be just me. But I started looking at it like this, that I used to think she is trying to compete with me. अभी यहाँ तक कोई problem नहीं था. Even when I started feeling she is competing with me, there was no problem. I was irritated, I was just frustrated at times, but it was still not problematic. It started becoming problematic when I started engaging in that competition. जब मुझे लगने लगा कि अब तो इसके कंपटीशन में मुझे आना है, अब तो मैं इसको दिखाऊंगी कि ये क्या है और मैं कौन हूँ, that's when it started becoming a problem. I realized I was angry all the time and I was frustrated and I was ranting about it to people and it was bad. I was in a bad state. Until one day I sat down and I was like, listen, I need to get to the bottom of this. I need to figure this shit out. And I sat down and I was thinking about it and then I realized this, that I was trying to engage in this competition और मैं एक भी chance नहीं छोड़ रही थी to make a point that how I am better than her, how my friends are my friends, how this is happening, how that is happening. So maybe then it was my problem because jealous or insecure or शायद envious तो वो पहले से थी. I started reacting to it differently, which is why it became a problem. But the best part about this whole thing is I realized it. I accepted that I have a problem. Now that I've accepted it, I can work on it. In one of the psychology workshops, I learned this thing. Name it to tame it. Now I have named it. Now I know I am the problem. Now I know why I am being problematic. So now that I know it, I have accepted it, I have admitted it, I can work on it. Then it becomes easier for me to work on it. पहले मैं I used to get very defensive. Okay, no, I don't think like that. You know, she's causing trouble. And I'm not saying she's all that naive or she doesn't know what she's doing. But having said that, if she's triggering me, she is triggering something which is already inside me. So it's not completely her fault. I used to think that I'm the most secure person you will see, which to a certain extent I think I am. I'm a very secure person. I don't like to think I am not somebody who's always insecure or jealous or this or that. But maybe I have some insecurity in me. The one that she is triggering. She can't trigger something which is not inside me, right? So now that I have named it, I can tame it. which makes it all the way easy, all the more easier. Which brings me to our fourth and the last point. I don't even know if it's the fourth point, but to our last point, you also need group of people who are very good for your energy in general. Because if you have a group, if you have people in your life who help you, who makes you feel very secure, that energy will help you to sort the insecurities in life. I hope it makes sense. Again, an experience. This year I met a bunch of these really random girls. And I discovered a whole new angle to female friendship. And I have never been happier in my life. I have met this really bunch of weird, crazy girls. And now I think, oh my god, it is so great to have this crazy female energy in my life. So every time I walk in the room with all these crazy girls, there is this sense of peace in me that I can't even explain. Now it's so important that you have friendships जहाँ आपको पता है कि nobody is insecure about you, nobody is trying to compete with you, nobody is jealous of you. Everybody is just living their own lives, dealing with their own problems and trying to figure out their own life. And I thought this was such a great energy to be around. So all these girls, and I'm not saying it's all good. It's crazy. Sometimes it's madness. People are angry. People are screaming on top of their voices. There's this whole girl drama that is happening. But there is not insecurity. There is no trying to prove how I am better than you. It's just celebrating each other's differences. It's just celebrating each other's vulnerabilities and having honest conversations. So we have these really honest conversations about our insecurities, about boys, about career, about money, about everything, and it's so honest and vulnerable and true that it just heals something in you. So girls, if you're watching this, you need to take out some time, invest some time, energy and effort into finding these girls in your life. No amount of male friendship can heal you the way female friendships will do. I am not even kidding. I have some great male friends in my life, touch wood, like really good ones. But still, I think there is a part of me that is healed because I am surrounded by all this female energy, and female energy which is not competitive or insecure or, I don't know, weird. So yeah, that's it. I'm so in love with my female. It's crazy. I think मुझे लगता है हर लड़की के लाइफ में ये वक्त आता है. Because I used to be this person who used to think I have male friends. Female friends, I don't have that many female friends. I think I get along great with boys, which I do. But now, I can't imagine my life without these girls, and it's crazy. So yeah, that's it about this video. I'm also right now working on a whole another video about jealousy and insecurity, where I'm going to talk about actionable steps that you can do to deal with all these feelings and all these things. But I thought I also need to make a whole emotional video about what I feel and what my experience has been with all these things. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you really soon. आजकल मेरा बहुत fumble हो रहा है हाँ. I know the reason. I think I go to that studio and I am dubbing and I'm doing voice work for about 4-5 hours every day. So I come home and then I'm like, I speak like that. I'm really sorry. I'll try to work on this as well. And I'll see you really soon. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.